Okay, guys, I'll be giving you site update today from Lagoon View by Cedarwood, Ode Omi in Ibeju Lekki. So stay with me. We are about leaving the office now, so I'll be giving you site updates, showing you the landmarks and surroundings that you see before you get to this amazing estate. So stay with me while I take you for a ride. by Cedarwood, located in Ode Omi Town in Ibeju Lekki. This estate is just 30 minutes away from Lagoon Tropicana Resort. It's a popular resort in Ibeju Lekki, and I know you wouldn't want to miss this estate. Imagine the value of this property in 5 years. Right now, a plot is selling for 1 million naira per full plot, that's 600 square meter, and you can as well get a half plot for 500,000. So why not subscribe into this estate? It's almost sold out. So call us today for site inspection, guys. Thank you, and I'll be glad to receive you. Lagoon View by Cedarwood, Ode Omi, Ibeju Lekki. As a happening place now. No, Ibeju Lekki is the happening place. So if you don't own a property in Ibeju Lekki, you're actually missing a lot. So call us today. Let's take you for site inspection. Thank you. So guys, this is Ocean View by Cedarwood, Ode Omi, located also in Ode Omi community in Ibeju Lekki, few minutes away from Lagoon Tropicana. Lagoon View and Ocean View is located in the same area, just facing each other. Just that Lagoon View is backing the lagoon, while Ocean View is facing Lagoon View. It's located in the same side in Ibeju Lekki. This estate is located a few minutes away from the Tropicana Resort, Dangote Refinery, Lekki Deep Seaport, and Lekki Free Trade Zone. Those are notable landmarks that will boast your property in this area. So call us for site inspection. A plot here is currently selling for 1 million naira for 600 square meter, and 300 square meter goes for 500,000. On the 12th of this month, this estate will be selling for 1.5. So I know you wouldn't want to miss this opportunity of owning a property in a Lagoon View and Ocean View estate. Call us today. Let's take it for site inspection. As you can see, it's a total dry land. Even with the rain, you can see the land is dry. It's a total dry land, guys. So don't miss this. Don't miss this. This road, this is the demarcation between Lagoon View and Ocean View. It's just facing each other. So this is Ode Omi Road. So this is the road we take to this place. So from here, we're going out now to the express. So don't miss out on this estate, guys.